आपण पाहत आहात इन गोवा 24 तास। स्मार्ट सिटी अंतर्गत नव्यानं बांधलेली काँक्रीटची भिंत कोसळल्यानंतर महापौर रोहित मोन्सेरात यांनी घटनास्थळी धाव घेतली। सततच्या पावसामुळे नाला खचला आहे असं महापौर यावेळी म्हणाले। या व्यतिरिक्त त्यांनी पुढे काही बोलणं टाळलं।
They had excavated the site for the sewage chamber. Because of the continuous rainfall, that drain has collapsed. Now our priority is actually the temple that is here. So what we've told the contractor to do is basically backfill and take the interest of the temple first. Then later they can do the reinstatement of that. So they will bring a JCB, they will clear the drain. And once the drain is cleared, they will put shoring against the temple structure just to protect it and make sure that it's fine. As of now, that is our main priority. As and then the work will continue. It's a minor issue there.
But Mayor, being a normal person, we could make it out. Yesterday we had done a special report also on this thing. When you go digging just below the new drain which was made, so it is obvious it will going to fall. So being an engineer, they couldn't see this thing.
I can't speak for this thing also.
No, because being a normal person, we
Even
could
I can
see
see
it that it will fall.
See, the only time contractors do their work properly is now when they stand to lose money. So they have to keep correcting and they will keep bleeding money also now. That's when they start learning their thing. So we've told the contractor will give you all a briefing as to the timelines. But once the operator comes here, he will clear that. And once that is done, we have told him to protect the temple first and foremost. This can the chambers can take its time. We told him to take care of this first, and then they can start the work on the chamber.
Temple as well as banyan tree also is in danger.
Yes, that is our priority first.
Yeah.
The drain can be done at any
Banyan
point.
tree is going to fall, then it
Everything
will
also.
create a damage to his
And
government
they
quarters
are-
also.
Exactly, and they have their pavements and everything that you can see also now. So let him take care of those interests first, and the drain can be constructed as and when.
Have you spoken to engineer right now?
I spoke to the main contractor,
Yeah.
the owner of the thing. So he will be here shortly. He's stuck in some thing. So he'll give you basic proper timelines as to when.
Is there someone from Smart City here?
No, nobody here. The contractor is here.
They are the one who should come before you, I think, so, because their work is going on.
Exactly. So unfortunately they're not here now. So the contractor will give you all an estimate of the thing. We will come here tomorrow and every other day also to keep checking.
नमस्कार आणि लाईव्ह अपडेटर आहात तुम्ही आता इन गोवाच्या लाईव्ह अपडेटर आणि तुम्ही पोहू शकता जी हांगासून जो टोंकार असतो वयता जो अंडर प्रोसेस हा अजून स्मार्ट सिटीच्या कामाच्या हितून आणि आता तुम्ही पोहू शकता आम्ही असा हांगासर ताडमाड देवस्थान जी घुमटी आसा थंय आणि हांगा तुम्ही पोहू शकता हे सायडीचे जे ड्रेनेज बांधलेली ती ह्या कामा खातीर खंय तरी कोसळून पडली आता। तर कालच्या दिसा आमकां पळोवपाक मेळ्ळें खुबशे चड पावस पडलो, चड प्रमाणे पावस पडल्या कारणान हे सायडीक जे ड्रेन बांधलेली ती कोसळून पडली आणि तुम्ही पळोवू शकता लाईव्ह अपडेटाचेर इन गोवाचेर सो तुमकां लाईव्ह अपडेटाचेर दाखयता जे हांगासर काही मेन होल्स स्मार्ट सिटीचे जावपाचे आसले थंयसर तुमी पळोवू शकता आनी ते मेन होल्स जाल्ले आनी तेचे जी माती आसली सकयल्ली ते पावसाच्या उदकान जे काल भरपूर पावस पडले परत पावस पडलो ते पावसाच्या उदकान ते सगळे कोसळून सकयल पडलेले आसा। इन गोवाच्या लाईव्ह अपडेटाचेर तुम्ही पळोवू शकता आता सो हो एक मॅन होल तशेंच आता पळोवपाक गेल्यार घुमटी सुद्धा व्हेरी रिस्की आहा। घुमटेचे सुद्धा काही पार्ट्स देंवलेले आसा तुम्ही पळोवू शकता इन गोवाच्या लाईव्ह अपडेटाचेर। पळयात हे सुद्धा पार्ट खूब रिस्कान आसा। हांगापर्यंत क्रॅक केलेलो आसा. ही साईड आख्खी साईड कोसळून पडलेली आसा. हालींच ती ड्रेनेज बांधलेली हांगासर ती पळोवंक शकता. ही ड्रेनेज हांगासून ती काकुलो मॉल पर्यंत बांधलेली आनी ती पळोवंक शकता ती कोसळून पडल्या. सो आता तर केन्ना पडली केन्ना हे जालां
ते तिने भितर सोड गेला.
परत एकदा तुमकां डिटेल सांगता. लायव्ह अपडेटाच्या तुम्ही इन गोवाच्या लायव्ह अपडेटाचेर आसा आनी तुमी पळोवंक शकता ताडमाड हांगासर घुमटी आसा जी फेमस घुमटी हांगासर ताडमाडा कडेन थंय हालींच बांदलेले ड्रेनेज जी कोसळून पडलेली आसा सायडीक. हां ते कोसळून हांगा पर्यंत पावलेले आसा.
झप्प करून गे आता हे कशें केलां तशें झप्प करून गेलें जाल्यार